Hi guys, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and today I'm going to look at sticker books. Now, like everybody else, at least this last year, I did pick up quite a few stickers that I lost, couldn't remember where I put them. It's not been really good organized. When I saw this at Michael's, I absolutely loved the glitter and I thought that that would be perfect. Then I found that the only stickers that will fit in it are basically the small ones that you can get from them. So I did cut some apart and did get some to go in there, so I do have quite a few stickers in here, but not everything's going to fit in there. So that's one of my solutions for stickers. Another was some will fit in this little binder, so if they're the small enough size, these are ones that I got at Target, they fit in perfect there. So that works for some as well. But then I've got all those odd shaped or odd sized ones, like this I thought would be real nice for some folks that I know that absolutely love unicorns. I picked those up last year, have not used them because, again, I misplaced them or lost track of them. And year before, actually last year, another thing that I did is I mounted some on some pages like this. Thing is, once you use it, you basically have to throw away the page. And I never did continue to get this out as well. I did use it for some things, so now there's not really any stickers in here. There's just Post-its that I need to use up. What I decided to do instead is make some folders for these stickers to be able to slide into. That way they're reusable. And these odd-shaped ones that I don't really want to punch holes in case I want to give the whole pack to someone, will fit in there. So I made one. Here's what that looks like. So it fits right on. You can use whatever kind of joining that you want. I'm using some Happy Planner rings for this. And it's, one page is a folder on both sides, and then I just stick the back page in there and it'll fit. And these are fairly large, so I had made last year a large one. This is 10 by 7.5 is the size of this little book that I've got here. So I'm going to go ahead and make another one of those folders, so you can see how I did that. And I just use washi tape to adhere it. I figure this is just to hold some stickers in. It doesn't have to be super permanent, but you could use a better adhesive for that, but that's what I use for that. So what I need is 2 pieces of cardstock, and I'm going to be using my heavyweight card-based cardstock for this. Let me get my paper trimmer. Sorry about my voice and the coughing. My voice has not been, as you've seen in my past videos, recent videos. So basically I just need to cut 1 inch off of both sides. So this is going to be, instead of 8.5, it's going to be 7.5. I'm sorry, I'm not looking at the wrong part. This part is 11, so that needs to be cut down to 10. I'm having some trouble lining that up. And then the other side, I'm going to cut down to 7.5. So next I'm going to cut one of to do that. I've got my Tonic craft mat under here, and then where did I put it up? I've got a rotary cutter from Fiskars. I really like this. It seems to cut really well, and nothing is scratching my craft mat, which is incredible. So I want to cut it at a diagonal. I'm just going to use a T-square to help me line it up so I can line up on the edge. And then I want to make sure I'm seeing everything right, so that's the only reason that I'm lining it up with one of the lines on the map. It's to help me make sure I'm keeping straight. And then I'm going to hold this down real well with, I'm going to hold on to my ruler and hold that down flat on there very securely, because I have done crooked lines before because of not holding things down straight enough or firmly enough. Okay, and that's good enough. I didn't cut all the way through for all of it, but I'm just going to fold it in half and then trim the ends. And of course, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so next, I'm going to grab some of my washi tape I have not used. Just line this up at the bottom. So I'm going to tape it on this side and on this side, on the two outside edges. Now you could, if you wanted to, decorate it a little bit so you can see it better, but I figure it's going to be covered up, so there's no point to decorate any part of this folder. And this is also something you can make for your planners as well. Line that up with the edges, and then fold the tape over and just secure that. And I'm going to go ahead and adhere the one on this other side, do the same thing, and make sure they're both facing the same direction. Just looked like I did this one a little bit off, so I'm gonna redo it first before I do the second side. See, it didn't come all the way to the edge over here. There we go, that's better. And just cut off some of the excess tape. And then I'm going to tape this edge. So, let's see that. It's the one that's flat on that edge. Actually, I think I'm going to do this one. I'm going to take both sides, just like I did the bottom. I'm going to attach each piece individually. So hopefully it doesn't come apart quite so fast. Okay. And then I'm getting out my Happy Planner hole punch, and I'm gonna hole punch. Let me see if I did that one before. Okay. The page is actually a little longer than the regular Happy Planner punch is gonna go, so you can see that this is shorter and that's taller. So if I want it to fit in right, to make sure that I put the bottom in the bottom. Oops, I used my wrong punch. Okay. Oh. I used the wrong punch. Oh well. It's alright. Okay, there we go. So now that can go in there. And then, so that I can see all of the stickers, I'm just going to put the back panel on the inside of the folder. You could put the whole thing in. And just do our unicorns in here first. Okay. And now I have access to those, and when I run out of that, I can always put another sticker book in. So that's going to be that for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you wouldn't mind, please like, subscribe, and comment on my videos, and check out my blog as well. Thank you much for watching, and have a great day.